What if I told you the fastest way to learn English is the same way babies learn their very first words? No grammar books, no stress, just a natural way to grow in English step by step. Think about it. Babies don't sit down with grammar books or vocabulary lists. They listen, they copy, and they use words in real life. That's how they become fluent. And the good news is you can use the exact same method to learn English naturally without feeling stressed. Listen a lot before speaking. Think about how babies learn. For months, they don't say a single word, they only listen. They hear their parents, their family, the TV, even random sounds around them. And slowly, their brain starts to recognize patterns. That's why when they finally start speaking, it feels natural. Now, you can copy this same process with English. The key is simple: fill your ears with the language every single day. Don't worry about understanding everything. That part comes later. Right now, it's about training your brain to get used to the sounds of English. So how do you do this? Play English podcasts or YouTube videos while you cook, clean, or travel. You don't even have to pay full attention, just let the language surround you. Over time, your brain will naturally pick up words, rhythms, and pronunciation. Here's another tip. Choose something you actually enjoy. Maybe a funny cartoon, a drama series, or even songs you love. Listen to them again and again. Babies repeat the same sounds thousands of times, and that's exactly what helps them learn. The more you listen, the more familiar English will feel. And when you finally speak, the words won't sound strange, they'll already feel like part of you. Imitate sounds and words. Think about how babies learn to talk. They don't invent their own words. They copy what they hear. If their mom says, "Mama," they repeat it. If their dad says, "Bye-bye," they try to say it too. At first, it's not perfect, but little by little, their sounds get clearer. You can do the same in English. When you hear a phrase you like, don't just listen. Repeat it. Say it out loud, even if no one is around. If you're watching a show and a character says, "What's going on?" pause the video and try saying it exactly the same way. Copy the rhythm, the tone, even the emotion. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect at first. Babies make mistakes all the time, but that's how they improve. The important thing is to keep practicing out loud. Your mouth is like a muscle. It needs training to get used to English sounds. Here's a simple exercise. Pick one short phrase each day, like, "How are you doing?" Or, "That's amazing," and use it several times. Say it in the morning, at lunch, in the evening, just like babies who repeat the same word all day long. The more you imitate and repeat, the more natural your speaking will become. Over time, those phrases will stick in your memory, and you'll be able to use them without even thinking. Use words in real situations. This is the moment babies make real progress. After months of listening and copying, they finally start using words in real situations. They point to water and say drink, or they see a dog and shout dog. It's not perfect, but it works, and that's how they grow. You should do the same in English. Don't just keep words in your notebook, bring them into your daily life. If you learn the word coffee, use it when you order your drink, or even just say to yourself, "I'm drinking coffee now." If you learn the phrase, "I'm tired," actually say it when you feel that way. Here's a simple trick. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing, like, "I'm making coffee," or "I'm walking to the shop." It may feel funny at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to practice. Babies talk to themselves too. They just babble and try words again and again. And if you have a friend, a teacher, or even an online chat partner, use your new words with them. Even one sentence a day makes a difference. The more you use English in real situations, the more confident you'll feel. Remember, babies don't wait until they're perfect before speaking. They just try. That's exactly how you should approach English. Try, make mistakes, and grow naturally. If this video gave you a new idea for learning, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you practice English. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's also learning. And if you sometimes forget the words you've learned, don't worry. I made another video that explains exactly why this happens and how to fix it. Go check it out after this one. Keep practicing, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next video.